How to hide all Facebook photos and enable the only me setting. Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to hide all your Facebook photos and enable the only me setting. So with that being said, let's just go ahead and get right into it. So what you're going to want to go ahead and do is make your way to the bottom right hand corner of your screen with the three horizontal lines. Now, right underneath the three horizontal lines, it should say menu. Just go ahead and click on that. From here, you're going to want to swipe your way down all the way to settings and privacy. Now, basically, you're going to want to click on it and untab it and basically go ahead and click on settings. From here, make your way all the way down to audience invisibility and go ahead and click on profile and tagging. From here, you're going to want to visit viewing and sharing, and right underneath it, make your way to the who can post on your profile option. Go ahead and click on that. Now, usually by default, it should be your friends on Facebook, but if you want to go ahead and hide all your Facebook photos and enable the only me setting, just go ahead and click on only me. Now this is going to go ahead and hide all your Facebook photos and make you be on the only me setting. But that's pretty much how you go ahead and do it, guys. Hopefully you found this video extremely helpful, and if you haven't already, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and with that being said, guys, I'll go ahead and see you guys for more videos.